Here's a quick tutorial on how to verify your account with Remitbee. First off, you're going to log into remitbee.com, and then you're going to click the arrow in the top right corner, and you're going to click Verification and Limits. Next, you're going to click Level 1 and Start. If you have already sent your first transfer, you would have already gone through this step. By completing first level verification, you will be able to send up to $50. Basically, you need to fill out all the information here, first name, last name, and address. Within 24 hours, the Remitbee team will accept and verify you, and then you can move on to level 2 verification. You also need to include some information about your occupation. And so that's level 1 verification, and you can send $50 a day or $500 per month. Next, we're going to move on to level 2 verification, and we do that by uploading proof of our bank account and a photo of our ID. For a bank statement, you can use a loan statement, bank statement, or credit card statement that you would save to your computer beforehand and then upload. The next step is to upload a photo of your ID. The accepted photo IDs are utility bill, driver license, passport, national ID, and your PR card. And just like the step before, you would have this document saved to your computer already, and then you would upload it. Now those documents will be sent to the Remitbee team, and within 24 hours they will verify these documents, and you should be able to send up to $25,000 a month or $3,000 a day. The next level of verification we can complete is level 3, and this one takes a little bit longer. First thing that you'll need to do is verify your real address. So when you send this request, we will mail you a special PIN code, and this could take up to 4 days to be delivered. Once it's delivered, you will input the PIN code into this field over here, and you will submit it. And then the next step is to take a selfie with your ID. So you need to take a picture of yourself holding the ID that you submitted, and you need to make sure that your face is visible and that the photo is good quality. Once that's been submitted, the team will confirm within 24 hours, and you shall be able to send $9,000 a day or $50,000 a month, and that's all of our current levels of verification. But verification level 4 is coming up and will allow you to send even more money.